What's going on, weavers? Tim here again, and this is a great tensioning knot. It's simple to tie and has many uses, but especially when you're tying something down under load that may need to be adjusted afterwards to increase the tension on the line, like for example when setting up a tent. So getting right into it, I've got my standing end on the left, this would be the loaded end, and my running on the right. From there I'm going to make a single hitch around the standing end, keep it firm, then going in the same direction, make a second loop. Then finally, I'm going to make one last loop over the standing on the outside of the loop. From there, firm it up and we have our taut line hitch. You now have an adjustable hitch knot that uses friction to keep it in place. This would be really useful for camping or bushcrafting, but I'm also sure you can find many uses for it for day-to-day tasks as well. And just to quickly show you again, but mirrored on the other side, we're going to tie the knot again. The exact same process, just remember 2 loops on the inside of the loop and then 1 on the outside. Firm up and you have your taut line hitch. Now for an easy variation of this knot, you're going to make the first hitch loop like before. The second one still goes on the inside of the loop, but this time it's going to lay over the first loop, like so. And then finish with the third loop on the outside like before. What this is going to do is create more friction, and it's called a midshipman. So there we have it, weavers, the taut line hitch. Great for lines that need to be tied down that can be tensioned. Let me know in the comments the best use you know for this knot. I hope you all found it useful and enjoyable. A huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters who make videos like this possible. If you want access to exclusive content and the Weavers of Eternity Discord and want to support the channel directly, please feel free to check out my Patreon page. You can join for as little as $3 a month. You can also support the channel by liking the video, commenting, and subscribing. If you enjoyed the content here, please feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.